Okay, so let's get started through our today's topic, that is about prepositions. Prepositions. If we go through the definition of prepositions, preposition is a word which is used before a noun phrase or a pronoun, connecting it to the another words, another object or elements which are present in the sentence. Like prepositions are generally the words that are used with the nouns, noun phrases or pronouns that show their relation with the another and connect them with the another words, object and element in the sentence are known as our prepositions. Types of prepositions. If we go through the types of prepositions, they are, first it comes about simple prepositions. Simple preposition, when a preposition consists of one word, is called a single or simple preposition. When preposition is consisting of one word only, the preposition is known as single or simple prepositions. Exist mostly as a single syllable. For example, we have in, at, to, for, of, with, through, etc. Next it comes about compound preposition. Compound preposition consists of two or more words. They are formed by modifying the another words and consist of two or more words like in front of, from, across, according to, before, below, along. These all are included in compound prepositions. Phrase preposition. Phrase prepositions, group of words used with the force of a single preposition, is called a phrase preposition. Means they are formed by the group of words used to convey or which force a single prepositions, like a single idea. For example, we have according to, by means of, in place of, on account of, instead of. These all are examples of phrase prepositions. Now let's study the relations which are expressed by the prepositions. Okay, so generally what we learned as we knows, a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other words in a sentence. Like for example, we have Rima's house is located near the temple. It is showing or exacting us, telling about the location. Different relation shown by a preposition. Let's take a look towards them. First it comes about time. Relation of time, that shows the relation of time. Like Nalini will return on Monday. It shows this time, like when. Between, it will be when. Like Nalini will return on Monday. When Nalini will return on Monday. So the prepositions by, in, on, at, after, before, from, since, during, till, until, this all indicates about the time. Next it comes about the preposition of place or position, that tells us where. Like Kapil is waiting in the park. Where Kapil is waiting? In the park. Like for example, we have prepositions under, for, over, beside, above, on, below, beyond, opposite, behind, in front of. These all indicates the place and your disposition. Next it comes about the relation of movement. Like Smith is going towards Seth's house, that telling us about the movement, that telling us about the direction where someone goes. Usually indicates the place only, but something more indicating like movement. Okay, the prepositions across, through, into, along, out of, around, these all indicates about movement. Next it comes about the relation of manner. Like he comes to office by bus. Like in what way, in which thing, like how it says how. Like he says he comes to office by bus. So the prepositions with, by, these all indicates about the manner. Next it comes about the purpose. The relation of purpose. Like we have here, Twinkle went to Darjeeling for a vacation. Like it is expressing that the purpose of going, means purpose, that shows Twinkle went to Darjeeling for a vacation. The purpose of going twinkle to Darjeeling is for vacation. She went there for vacation. Like to, from, for, towards, these also indicates about a purpose. Next it comes about possession, relation of possession that shows the possessiveness, that shows possessions. Like the leg of the round table is broken. Like there is a round table, so it tells about the table, that the round table leg is broken. So the prepositions with, of, these usually indicates the possession. Let's move forward. Like some other relations are also shown by prepositions, like source of, agent, means source of something, agency. Like we have here, that song was sung by Rahina, means they were telling the source of, agent, by, from, these, like these indicates about the origin of source. That song was sung by Rahina. A parcel has come from my uncle. The prepositions from, by, etc., these shows about this. Next it comes of comparison or contrast. When we compare someone with something or somebody, like I am like a dog chasing cats. Like I am comparing myself to dogs. I'm just facing the similarities here. Like I am like a dog chasing cats. Unlike Karan, Ravi is a hard-working boy. So it shows the contrast with someone. Like same we have manner or method, in what way or in what manner. Like the movie is meant for intelligent, sorry Ratna will come by train. So by bus, by train, these all are manner or method. By train Ratna will come, the manner by which the Ratna will come is by train. They went to the temple on foot. Okay, so these generally shows us prepositions indicates with, the by comes in this. Next it comes about purpose or reason. We generally have relations of why, for what purpose, because, like due to, we use these kind of in it. The movie is meant for intelligent viewers. For the movie meant is for the intelligent viewers. My mother tells me to eat spinach for good health. So my mother tells me for what? For the purpose of telling her to me is for about my good health. Again it shows the possessions. Like you have here, it shows the prepositions with, of, these generally indicates the possessions. Like Big Boss told me to get out of his room. Okay, so it shows about possession. So this is whole about your prepositions. Thank you.